Was there any tense kanina, ma'am?
And why
Pero
this
medyo
why?
nagkainitan, ma'am. May mga ganong ganap.
Hindi, kasi period ko ngayon, mainit ang ulo.
Okay lang. Okay lahat, Kong.
Napakakalma lang ang gano'n nito sa
Hi, Kong. Hi, Kong. Kumusta naman, Kong?
Ha?
Kumusta naman? Medyo may nagtalo daw, totoo?
Ha?
Medyo may nagtalo daw.
Oh, chismis.
Sir, kumusta yung kanina? Anong update? Medyo may tension, Kong?
Okay. Mga matatanda versus mga
Hi,
bata.
attorney. Hi, attorney. How was it, attorney? Just any short statement. Meron pong medyo nagkaroon ng medyo tension kanina.
Hindi naman, usual naman yan sa pre-trial, yung mga pinagpagkatalo. So, and we were able to settle it naman. So, I think it was a good morning session. At least we found ways para
Pre-trial
ma-expedite yung proceedings. So, as you know, mabilis na, nasa marking na tayo ngayon. So, yung stipulations, etc. ay sa gagawin na lang kasulatan. No? So, we will just need to submit yung aming mga observations, some stipulations, which would admit, but not admit. So, I think it was a good session. Hindi naman nagkainitan. Siyempre, normal naman yan sa trial.